session. Students, now we are going to see the famous temples of the times were Shore Temple at Mahabalipuram. Students, here we can see the picture of Shore Temple at Mahabalipuram. Then Meenakshi Temple at Madurai. Students, here we can see the picture of Meenakshi Temple at Madurai. Next, Rajarajeshwara Temple at Kannur, Kerala. Students, here we can see the image of Rajarajeshwara Temple at Kannur, Kerala. Then Jagannath Temple in Puri. Here we can see the picture of Jagannath Temple in Puri. Then Jain Temple at Dilwara. Students, here we can